To feedback Trust Wallet Fingerprint login. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on your device. Scroll down to the Security section and select Fingerprint Login. If you have not already set up Fingerprint Login, follow the on-screen instructions to register your fingerprint. Once you have set up Fingerprint Login, test it by logging out of the app and then attempting to log back in using your fingerprint. If the fingerprint login is not working as expected, check that your fingerprint is registered correctly and that the sensor is clean and free from debris. To provide feedback on the fingerprint login feature, go to the Settings menu and select Support or Feedback. Describe your experience with the fingerprint login, including any issues you encountered, and suggest improvements. Be sure to include details such as the device you are using and the version of the Trust Wallet app. When providing feedback, be clear and concise, and try to reproduce any issues you encountered. This will help the development team to identify and fix problems more efficiently. You can also check the Trust Wallet website or social media channels for a feedback form or email address where you can send your feedback directly. Best practices for providing effective feedback include being specific about the issue, providing screenshots or videos to illustrate the problem, and suggesting potential solutions. By following these steps and providing detailed feedback, you can help improve the fingerprint login feature and enhance the overall user experience of the Trust Wallet app.